Welcome back to Channel Tech Titan Reviews. We're just about a week away from WWDC 2024, and this year's event promises to be nothing short of epic. Not only do we have exciting software updates on the horizon, but the hardware announcements are shaping up to be game-changing. Today, I'll break down everything we know so far, covering multiple devices and different software versions. Let's dive right in, starting with the iPad. The new iPads, especially the M4 iPad Pros, are undoubtedly impressive. The hardware is top-notch, arguably better than MacBook hardware in some aspects, offering extra capabilities and conveniences. However, the software remains a limiting factor. Despite being the best tablet hardware out there, the hefty price tag turns it into a luxury device that only a select few can justify buying. Apple must address this issue at WWDC. Many users have been clamoring for professional apps and a more robust experience. Apple has the patents for these features, but we're yet to see them in action. If Apple can deliver a desktop-like experience with true multitasking capabilities, features that Android's DeX has had for years, it could justify the high price tags of these devices. Moving on to Macs, we've been hearing a lot about potential updates for the Mac Studio and Mac Pro. Mark Gurman has been firm in his belief that these updates won't arrive until mid-2025. However, we strongly disagree. The current M2 Ultra Mac Studios and M2 Max models are already falling behind. An M3 Max MacBook Pro currently outperforms these machines in many tasks while also being portable. The Mac Pro is an even bigger letdown. Despite its higher price tag, its performance lags behind the M2 Ultra. We actually bought both, intending to use the Mac Pro for 90% of our editing work. But due to its poor performance, we ended up sticking with the M2 Ultra. Expected Mac updates at WWDC. In the fall, we're expecting updates to the MacBook lineup with the new M4 chips. If Apple waits until mid-2025 for the Ultra, Studio, and Mac Pro updates, these devices will be even more outdated, and sales will plummet. Therefore, it's logical to anticipate these updates at WWDC 2024. Conclusion and summary: WWDC 2024 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting events in recent years. From potential iPadOS improvements to long-overdue updates for the Mac Studio and Mac Pro, and a slew of iOS advancements, there's a lot to look forward to. Apple's shift towards AI and potential redesigns could redefine user experiences across devices. As always, I want to hear your thoughts. What are you most excited about? Do you think Apple will meet our expectations? Comment below, hit that subscribe button, and check out some of our other videos. This has been Max, and I'll see you in the next one.